नमस्ते रचना मैम। अध्यापक दिवस की आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और आपको एक बहुत बड़ा धन्यवाद, क्योंकि आपकी ही वजह से मेरे सारे हिंदी में के डाउट सॉल्व हो जाते हैं। और जिस तरह से आप हमें चैप्टर्स पढ़ाते हैं उससे हमें चैप्टर समझने में बहुत आसानी हो जाती है। और जिस तरह से आप हमें समस्या समाधान सत्र में गाइड करते हैं, सहायता देते हैं और हमें पढ़ाते हैं, उससे हमें बहुत प्रेरणा मिलती है। और हमें बहुत हेल्प किया है जिस तरह से आप हमें पढ़ाते हैं, और उसके लिए आपको एक बहुत बड़ा धन्यवाद।
Hello Naval sir, me and the cricket team share a special bond with you over our passion, and I hope to see us win a prestigious trophy in the near future under your guidance.
Dear Pallavi, thank you so much for reassuring us that you're only a call or WhatsApp message away when we need you. You have been a great mentor, the very best that I could wish for in this unprecedented year. We don't know how the year will pan out or where the future leads us, but I know that you'd have my back every step of the way. Thank you so much for everything you've done. A very happy Teachers' Day to you.
This is for the teacher who inspires and motivates us every day in a friendly and warm manner. Happy Teachers' Day, Abira ma'am.
Dear Anuradha ma'am, teaching math in a real classroom is hard, but teaching it over a virtual platform must be even harder. I cannot even start to imagine how much you must have had to work to give us the kind of education we are getting today. COVID-19 made me realize many things, but none such as resounding as the fact that you all work so hard for us to get the kind of education we do, and I would like to sincerely thank you for that. Here's wishing you a happy Teachers' Day from the very profound bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Dear Jyoti ma'am, a very happy Teachers' Day to you. The way you teach and guide and help and support us is so well, and I deeply thank you for that. And I may not remember the differences between Khadar and Bangar soils a few years from now, but I will definitely always remember you and your method of teaching, which has helped us all so much. And
Thank you Anuradha ma'am for being one of the greatest maths teachers I've ever met. You allowed me to brainstorm and use so many different ways to solve math questions, which I probably think many teachers wouldn't have allowed me to. Thank you and happy Teachers' Day.
Are all teachers superwomen? I believe my class teacher, Pallavi ma'am, is not less than a superwoman. Thank you ma'am for supporting and enlightening all my way. If only I could have your blessing for a lifetime, I would succeed the way I have done always. Thank you ma'am, I miss you and I love you.
Dear Nisha ma'am, to be honest, when we started out this year, chemistry was one of my least favorite subjects. I used to be really worried on how I would score in this subject, but I need not have worried at all. You made learning chemistry easy and fun with the videos you posted on Google Classroom. I would like to thank you for bringing about this change, and now I'm slowly starting to enjoy chemistry, a little by little each day. Thank you so much for everything you've done. Here's wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day.
दिया ज्ञान का भंडार मुझे, किया भविष्य के लिए तैयार मुझे, जो किया आपने उस उपकार के लिए, नहीं शब्द मेरे पास आभार के लिए। धन्यवाद रचना मैम कि आपने मेरे हर एक कदम पर मेरा साथ दिया।
Namaste and a very happy Teachers' Day, Pramod sir. Today I'd like to thank you for being such a wonderful and an amazing art teacher and helping me and guiding me whenever needed and making art such a beautiful subject.
Happy Teachers' Day, Shahnaz ma'am. I thank you for teaching so well. All the chapters which you explain are very easy to understand, and the online sessions have been so nice with you. Thank you for always helping me, for always guiding me and being such a wonderful English teacher. Hope to meet you soon in school. Thank you so much ma'am.
नमस्ते सत्येंद्र सर, शिक्षक दिन की आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। हिंदी विषय में मेरी रुचि उत्पन्न कराने के लिए आपको मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कहना चाहती हूँ।
Namaste and a very happy Teachers Day to all of you. Thank you teachers, we are greatly indebted to you for all your guidance, support and help during these tough times, and we cannot wait to meet you all in school. It has been such a long time since we last met in person, and we just miss you guys so much, and we really can't wait to meet you all. And most of the time we just keep thinking about you while we're studying and all of that, and yeah.
Namaste and a happy Teachers Day to my dear teachers. Today I have a puzzle for you. I will be talking about the main lesson that I have learned from my dear teachers. And I have hidden a subject in here. Would love to see if you can try and guess it. Namaste and a happy Teachers Day. I hope that the speech today is going to elicit a positive reaction out of you all today. As the main lesson I have learned from my teachers was to reflect on my personality and my mistakes and make it evolve me into a better person. Thank you and a happy tea.
Dear Anuradha ma'am, a very happy Teachers Day to you. You're such a wonderful teacher. The way you teach math and the way you help and guide us and support us has had such a huge impact on me. You're my favorite teacher, and I will always remember you for my entire life, and I'll never forget you. And I miss you so much. I just can't wait to meet you in person when we get back to school. And it has and you've been so helpful to me, and you're one of the reasons I love maths so much. And every day before the math class, I always look forward to it, and I look forward to meeting you so that when you enter the class and you start teaching us, and it's just so good. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Abira ma'am, for being such a strong support behind all of us. You have deeply inspired me with your kindness and courage. You have instilled that type of confidence in one. Say whatever's the situation, you're there to take care of it. Thank you and happy Teachers Day.
Dear Shoma ma'am, a very happy Teachers Day to you. I would like to thank you for all your guidance and support, and your method of teaching, which is just so wonderful, and it has helped me a lot. Most of us since the 5th and 6th grade, and the way you teach, especially when you teach us English poems, it just becomes so easy to understand, and I just hope to meet you soon at school in person and learn from you as soon as possible.
Thank you Ashish sir and Renu ma'am for making me find the actor in me. You have given me so many different opportunities, and every time I got a different role, I excelled. Thank you and happy Teachers Day.
Namaste Pallavi ma'am. Thank you for being such a wonderful class teacher and such an amazing bio teacher. We all love you a lot, and I'm very happy that I get to be a part of your class once again. Thank you for everything. Happy Teachers Day.
Teachers Day.
And on behalf of the whole 10th grade, I would like to say, in this mission board exams, teachers, you're not alone. We students will give our best and try hardest to come out as winners.